I'm Annette, and today I'm going to explain how I wrote my PongGame. So, in my index.html, I've created the canvas element, and I got it in canvas variable in my JS file. Here are some functions that I'm going to use during the course. For example, draw ball just draws a ball with this color, which is kind of green yellow color, and with radius that we give. This is a rand function, which returns the number between upper and lower bound that we give. This is rand2 function, which just returns the function between the number and 0. This is an array that I created in order to randomize the sign. The count, the ball object, the x and y are random in between 200 and 200 before the end of the page. Vertical speed is constant, it's 4, however the sign may be different, and y speed can be different from 0 to 10. These are the players. This is the counter function. I've implemented a write count function that just writes the count, whatever it is at that point, on the canvas. This checks if ball exceeds the sizes of canvas. It changes the count accordingly and then writes the count. And this is the find winner function. It checks whether one of the counts has exceeded 10 and just writes the according message on canvas. Also, it stops the ball. So this was our supply, and here is our update function. Every time it draws the background, draws the players wherever they are. It draws the ball, checks if the ball has hit one of the players and just bounces it, and that's all. And finally, the event listener. So these are the keys. Whenever up key is down, it moves the player down, and player has exceeded the boundaries. It just puts it in the very end of that boundary. The same with W, S, and down key. However, this event listener has a bug. When multiple keys are down, it just keeps doing only one of the movements after the first movement. And also, here is something to stop the game. That's the space key. If the game is in action, it stops the ball, and if the game is stopped, it reloads. This is managed by the Boolean ball move, which is set true initially. So when we first hit the space, it's false here, so it goes to else, and it stops the ball and makes the ball that move false. And when we hit it second time, it just does this, which is location that reload. And finally, here is our game loop. It calls update, counter, find winner, and request animation frame with game loop. In effect, we call our game loop. So let's see our game. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.